Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going ahead and talk about the nested loops, and we are going to do another example on nested loops. Let's say I wanted to go ahead and display a pattern, something like this. 1, then 1, 2, then it will be 1, 2, 3, okay, this one. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, we want to display a pattern. Okay. So when you have something like this kind of pattern, you should always immediately think this has to be achieved using a nested loops. Okay, because it's not a straight line, you're trying to repeat something inside of that. So that is what you have to do, something like this. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you wanted to go ahead and create a pattern just similar to this, let's go ahead and see how we are going to achieve this. So I am going ahead and create a for loop and outer for loop, and I will initiate it with integer I is equals to 1, and I is less than equals to how many? I is less than equals to say 4, and then I plus plus. So this is my outer loop, and inside of this loop, I'm going ahead and create another loop here for integer j. So for the first time, this loop will only run once. For the next time, it will run twice. So it should be exactly similar to the previous one, j, like less than equals to I. So it will, for one time, it will run once, then it will run twice because j will get incremented to 2, then I will get incremented to 3, so it will run 3 times, and then j plus plus. But now what we have to display, instead of displaying the value I, this time I am going to go ahead and display the value j. That's when the pattern will get achieved. Something like this. 1, then you have 1, 2, then you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Something like this pattern. If you want to go ahead and achieve, it will go ahead. This is the way to do it. Now let's go ahead and loop through this program. So first time we have I and we have j. Let's take the marker. Let's say this is I and this is j. Value of I for the first time is initialized with 1. Now, is I less than equals to 4? 1 is less than 4. That is true. So it will come inside this inner loop, and it will go ahead and start with j is equals to 1. So j will become 1 here. I still 1, j become 1. J less than equals to I. Is 1 is less than equals to I? Yes, condition means it will come inside this inner loop. It will print this statement. It will print the value of j. What is the value of j? J is 1. So it will go ahead and print j here. Now j becomes j plus plus. What is the new value of j? J becomes 2. 2 less than equals to 1 because I is still 1. That is not true. So it will not execute this statement and it will come out of this inner loop and it will go to this I plus plus. Now what was the new value of I? I became 2 now. Is 2 less than equals to 4? Yes, that is true. So now 2 is less than equals to 4. So it will come inside this inner loop again. But again it will go ahead and start from here. So again it will go ahead and starts from here. J is equals to 1. So now J again initialized with 1. Is 1 less than equals to I? So what is I? I is 2. Is 1 less than equals to 2? Yes, that is correct. So again, it will go ahead and execute this line, print the value of J. What is J? J is 1. Again, J plus plus. Now J become what? What is the new value of J? J is 2 now. 2 less than equals to 2. Yes, this condition holds good because I is 2 and 2 is equals to 2. Again, this line number 5 will get executed and it will print the value of J. Now, what is the value of J? J is 2 now. So it will go ahead and print 1. Now, J plus plus. What is the new value of J? J became 3. It will again go ahead and check the condition. 3 less than equals to 2. Is this true? No. It will go ahead, exit out of this loop and it will go to this outer loop, I plus plus. Now what is the new value of I? I became 3 now. 3 now. Now it will go ahead and check the condition. 3 less than equals to 4. Now is this condition is true? Yes, the condition is true. So now what will happen is it will come inside this inner loop. Now the condition is true. 3 less than equals to 4. Yes, that is true. So J is equals to 1. So now J will get initialized with 1 here. J will again get initialized with 1. What is I? I became 3. So 1 less than equals to 3. Yes, that is correct. 1 is less than 3. Again, the condition meets, it will come inside the loop and it will execute the line number 5. It will print the value of J. What is J now? J is 1. It will again print 1 here. J plus plus. What is the new value of J? J become 2. 2 less than equals to 3. 2 less than equals to 3. Yes, that is correct. Again, the condition meets, it will come inside the inner loop, execute this statement, and it will print the value of J. What is J here? Now J became 2. So it will go ahead and print the value of J. That is 2. Now again J plus plus. Now what is the new value of J? J became 3 here. Now what is the value of I? I is 3. J less than equals to 3. Is 3 less than equals to 3? Yes, this is true. Again the condition meets. Again it will come inside the inner loop. It will print the value of J. J is now 3. So this is how it will get printed. J plus plus. What is the new value of J? J became 4. 4 less than equals to 3. This is false. So now it will come outside of this loop. So once it comes out of the loop, it will go ahead and do I plus plus. Now what does the old value of I? 3. What will be the new value of I? 4. So 4 is equals to 4. Yes, 4 is equals to 4. Condition meets, it will go ahead and execute the inner loop again. Again, the J will get initialized with 1 here. Is 1 is less than equals to 4? Because I is 4 now, that is true. It will come inside this loop. It will print the value of J. J is 1. j plus plus. Now j became 2. Is 2 less than equals to 4? Is this true? Is this 2 is less than 4? Yes, that is correct. Again, the condition meets. Again, it will come inside the inner loop and it will print the value of j. Now, what is j? J is now 2. So it will go ahead and print the value j here. J plus plus. Now, what is the new value of j? J became 3. Is 3 less than equals to 4? Yes, that is true. Again, the condition meets. It will come inside the loop. It will print the value of j. What is j now? J is 3. It will go ahead and print the value of 3 here. 3 plus plus. Now it became 4. 4 is equals to 4. Yes, the condition meets here. 4 is equals to 4. Again, the system.debug will get printed. It will print the value of j. The value of j is now 4. Again, j plus plus. Now, what is the new value of j? J became 5. Is 5 is less than equals to 4? No, that is not true. So now it will come outside of this inner loop and execute this I plus plus. So now I will become 5 here. Okay, so 5 is less than equals to 4. No, this is not true. So it will come outside of this loop. So now what should be the output of the program? It should be 1, then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, and 4. This should be the output of our program. Let's see if it matches. So if I go back here, I will give, let's first erase this. Okay, yeah. So if I go back here and hit the execute button, let's see if our output matches. Go to debug only. Yeah, our output is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how the program looks like. So this is how the, sorry, that's the output of the program. So this is the another example of the nested loop. So I hope by all these nested loop examples, the topic of nested loops is clear, that how to use the question, how to use the pattern in the Apex language. Or you, if you have any doubt, you can message to me or you can email. Okay. So let's meet in the next tutorial. Bye. Have a good day.